All right, this video is to reinforce how I would like the comparing fractions. Okay, so today we're going to compare fractions. You'll have two sheets. Now, what I want you to do is you're writing number sentences to compare these fractions. So we talked about that in the learning video. So what you've got to do is you've got to identify what the fractions are first, and then which one's bigger or smaller. Okay, so remember the very first thing, you've got to see how many parts there are in the whole. So if I have a look at this first one here, I see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 parts in the whole. Okay, so straight away I can write the denominator. There are 4. Okay, so I know there are 4 pieces in that. This one here, there are also 1, 2, 3, 4. So they're both the same fractions. All right. Now we have a look at our numerators. So how many parts of the whole are there? So we've got 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I need to do the 3/4, and this one only has 2/4. So now all I've got to do is I've got to finish with either my greater than, less than, or is the same as. Okay, so you go, okay, remember, which one does a crocodile want to eat? Does he want to eat the 2/4 or the 3/4? Okay, so you just put the symbol there, or whether it's the same, remember if it's the same, you put the equals. So it's totally up to you. You can either go that one, or that one, or the equals. Now, obviously, some of you are doing that in text. That's fine. I just didn't want to do that in the text today. So that is what you're doing. So you've got 2 worksheets on this to show me. Now, obviously, this one here is different because this one here is made up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, whereas this one is made up in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces. Okay, but you can see how much is left, whether it's bigger or smaller. So you're learning to identify fractions other than the same ones. Okay, so that's the whole point of today's learning. So today, by the end of today, hopefully you're learning to compare common fractions as well as mixed fractions as well. So you'll have 2 worksheets, and you need to write number sentences like this to show me your understanding. All right. So see how you go with that.